Alright, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Steam. So first of all, just open your Steam account. Now go on top right corner, click on your profile or your username. Just click on it. Alright, now click on store preferences. Okay, now click on account details and here click on update store country. Okay, now as you can see, your country is a part of your Steam account settings. Your country settings affects what you see on the Steam store, the currency you see prices in, and the currency of your wallet. If you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country setting when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you will have an option to change your store region while you view your cart or as you complete your purchase. If you're unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from the region you have moved to, please contact Steam support. So what you have to do, just go back, make sure you are on this page, click on account details and here click on add a payment method to this account. Just click on it, add your Visa card number, all the billing information, and after that, just click on continue. And after that, just go back on the library and here just buy any game you want. Just click on add to cart. Okay, click on view my cart and here just click on continue to payment. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.